In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add missing expense transactions to QuickBooks Online. If you've noticed that an expense is missing from your books, don't worry. Adding it manually is a quick and simple process, and it helps keep your records accurate and up to date. This is especially useful if a transaction didn't import from your bank feed, or if you need to enter an expense that was paid another way. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the Create button there. Go ahead and click it. This button is your shortcut for adding different kinds of transactions, so it's where you'll usually begin when entering something manually. Once the Create menu opens, select Expense. This will take you to the expense entry form, where you can record the missing transaction. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct transaction type. In this case, expense is the right option when you want to manually record money that your business spent. Now enter the details of the expense. Fill in the relevant information carefully, such as the payee, the payment account, the date, and the expense category. You can also include a description or memo if that helps you remember what the purchase was for. The more accurate and complete the information is, the easier it will be to keep your bookkeeping organized and your reports reliable. As you enter the transaction, it's a good idea to double-check the amount and category before saving. Even a small mistake can affect your financial reports later, so a quick review now can save time in the future. Once everything looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks will record the expense, and just like that, the missing transaction is added to your books. And there you go. That's all it takes to add a missing expense transaction in QuickBooks Online. It's a very straightforward process, but it can make a big difference when it comes to keeping your financial records complete and accurate. If you're entering several missing expenses, just repeat the same process for each one and review your entries as you go. Staying consistent with this will help you maintain clean bookkeeping and make account reconciliation much easier later on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.